Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Azar app. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Azar app and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, you will go to Play Store. You will search about Azar app. If you find updates, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.